Ay, kanina nga lang, nung pagkasabi mo, may message ka agad ako na sa airport, kabababa lang.
So you know what's weird? When we went home, we felt fast.
Sabi ko na,
Like, it didn't feel like it was a 14-hour flight.
Hindi kaya lang siya gusto kong sagutin kasi
How do you feel, Dad? You're home now.
I know.
Are you happy to be home or no?
Oh yeah, super.
Oh, you guys went to Palawan.
I
You
like
guys had a
Palawan.
longer vacation than us.
kala mo kasi, tinan ko na inis na kala mo ang panglait na, sino ba siyang kayaman sa Canada? Si Joy, hindi niya alam na ganyan, na food ba? Ang kinakain niya, hindi niya alam siya. Wala siyang alam, ang alam niya ay mayaman si Mama. Pero, nakaka-stress ito. Hindi, antayin mo si Doris kasi alam ko siya nag-feed ng information na, Tita, kamusta ba yun?
You know where I want to go to again? Japan.
Yeah, kasi wala siya kausap.
It was too short. It was like 3 full days.
I want to go back.
Hindi, direktahin mo siya.
You don't like Japan.
Let's go?
And like, yeah.
No.
I want to go to
You know why? It's because we didn't have like a plan. We didn't know what restaurants to go to, like places.
I think we like tried like, cause I'm just happy to try like the ramen.
Yeah. I was like, okay.
Hello?
And then I got hungry because I was calling Mom. She won't answer her
So,
phone.
Joy.
And then she's like, Martin Luther King.
Saan yung job?
The Tuesday. I wasn't scheduled last Tuesday, and I called my manager, and they said, "Oh, you weren't scheduled." And I'm like, "Yeah, I requested only 2 weeks." And then this week again, I'm not scheduled, and I told them to put me on every Tuesday night.
Tuesday
Who,
night?
who do I contact?
This is the one that,
Oh my god, I have no job.
oh, just email them then.
They didn't reply.
No, you know what you need to do? Just put on the computer that you're available. The master thing.
Which one?
Remember?
You know.
I liked it.
Nakita mo nagpapagupit yung boys?
Huh?
Oh, kasama ka pala. Ang natanong ko, bakit
In and out, you know?
I keep in and out. In and out or
I cannot see.
Huh?
Si Angel, oh. Angel.
Hello, Joy?
it's my music.
Ha?
Ay, naku,
Si Angel.
Where are we?
ano yung kapatid ko.
I'm supposed to exit Bellevue.
Alam mo, nung una pa yan, naano siya, ano ang tawag dito, nagpipigil lang ako.
Ate Mers.
Pero yung dinadamay nga, sabi ni Ate Michelle mo, kaya nga nagtataka sila dahil sabi nila, hindi ako nag-ano lang nakikisama sa awit, pero yung pinangalanan pa niya ako doon, tapos ilalive pa niya, ay nako, wala na yung PC ko. Talagang, kanina nga.
Mm-hmm.
Bastos. sabi ko na gano'n. Buti sana kung napakayaman niya, eh. Siya, mayaman siya, na nangunguha siya ng pera sa gobyerno, gano'n. Pinagmamalaki niya. Gosh. Tapos ang akala mo pang kayaman-yaman niya, ba't di siya makapag-donate? Asa na yung $500 na donation niya? Tinaguan pa niya. Pina-follow up siya, inano niya. Kunyari pa siya, nag-ano siya, hindi totoo yung mga pinagbibigyan niya, mga anak din niya pinapanalo niya. Alam mo, hindi ako nagsasalita kasi na pero na ano ko, na high blood ako, bababa lang namin sa kali ano bang tawag dito, sinend sa akin at Michelle mo yung mga tapos sabi ko nang gano'n ay at yung yung live daw ay nagkataon na naka-off siya. Sabi niya ay pinakinggan niya ay sabi niya ay talagang gusto daw niyang
right past the light.
talagang nagbabana ng tong kapatid mo. Isang
No, sure.